Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. I told you guys I was going to upload more, but sadly it's going to be like a little sad video. I actually ended up destroying my car. I destroyed the front bumper, and I think I destroyed the radiator. I don't know what it is yet. That's why I'm making this video, to check it out and fix it. But I don't know if you guys are ready to see it, but let's take a look. So here it is. That's the bumper now. It's completely destroyed. I don't think there's no way I can bring it back. I think it'll be just easier buying a new bumper. But I destroyed it from here. The whole grill, the half of the bumper's cracked. Another crack. All scratched up and stuff. It got messed up real bad. Okay guys, the reason I destroyed my car is because I was going to work, and out of nowhere this big huge raccoon ran in front of me, and I just couldn't brake in time. So I ended up destroying my car, and I also ended up destroying my radiator. I believe it's my radiator. My car is overheating really bad, but like I said, we're making this video to check what's the problem and to fix it, and in case y'all guys, ever run to this problem, y'all can fix it too. Let's get it. Okay, like I said, I don't know what it is, the radiator or hose, I don't know what it is. Hopefully it's not the thermostat or whatever. I don't know where it's located, but because I have never changed it. But I'm about to go check it out and see what it is. Hopefully it's nothing too bad. I'm just really upset about this bumper, and plus, I'm very low, so I mean, it didn't help when I ran over that poor raccoon. My car in the little garage, but I just rather work in the sun because it's very cold today, and Thomas got a little surprise.
Hold up, man. A lot of people asking me about why I haven't got a bumper yet, and here it goes. Tell me what you think.
I think it looks better.
I think a facelift on a M3 bumper would look good.
Hey, that fitment's on point too, boy.
Damn.
Okay, I'm about to raise my car up and see where it's leaking. I'm gonna put some more intercooler. Hopefully it's something simple like a hose. If it's the radiator, I'll fix it, but I just don't want it to be the thermostat. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so I already raised up the car. I already checked under the car. I don't see nothing wrong with the radiator. Probably I'm not looking hard enough, but right now I'm about to just put some more intercooler and hopefully find the problem, because I'm really trying to have my car running again. So I'll pick it up. Alright guys, like I thought it was the radiator. Check this out. I'm about to put more in the cooler, Thomas, and you show them down below. There you go, guys. I busted up my radiator. Now I might have to go buy one. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it today or tomorrow. I'm gonna go check AutoZone or O'Reilly's, and hopefully they have one in stock. If not, I'm gonna just hit up the junkyards tomorrow, or I'm gonna call them now and I'm gonna go pick it up tomorrow or later on, because it's still early. So yeah, it sucks, but it happens when you drive a low car. Like you saw in the last clip, I don't even think it's the radiator. I think I'm just missing the drain plug. Hold on, let me focus it. Yeah, it's not even there. So hopefully it's that. Hopefully I'm gonna go ahead and buy one real quick, and if it's good, we're good. That was an easy fix. So the biggest problem is gonna be the bumper. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to O'Reilly's. Hopefully they have the drain plug. If they don't, I'll just go check AutoZone. But let's go inside. So they didn't end up having it, and AutoZone didn't have it, so I just want to go ahead and buy it at O'Reilly's. But it'll be here at 7:30, and for us to continue this vlog, Thomas bought his spark plugs because he needed, and yeah, we'll just put them on, I guess. Okay, we just got back from O'Reilly's. Thomas had to leave again to pick up some more parts for his BMW so he can run perfect again. I just gotta wait for my drain plug tomorrow, and I'll pick up the vlog after I change these spark plugs.
Okay, it's been a couple days since the last clip. Actually, we ordered the wrong part. It wasn't just a drain plug. It was this little radiator coolant flow system screw. I don't know what they call this, but yeah, I had to wait a couple days and it just barely got here. And it's very cold. I think it's snowing, ain't it, Thomas? You can't really tell on camera, but hopefully this is the little part. Let's go. Okay, so we found the problem. The little half of the screw is not focusing, but it's still in there stuck, and I'm gonna try to use these pliers. Hold on, let me see. These little pliers to try to like reach in there and take the little part out. Hopefully it comes out because it seems like it's very stuck. But I'll keep you guys updated. I just want to get my car running today. Finally, I got the little piece out. It took a couple tries, but as you can see, it was torn in half. Out with the O. About to put the new one on. Hopefully this fixes all the problems. It's about to be good. So I guess this little screw just goes in and I gotta tie it up, but I'll pick up the video once I got this on, and I'll put some more coolant, and if it start leaking, I might just cry. Alright guys, I think I got it on there pretty good. Now I'm about to just like, you know, tie it up all good and put some more coolant. So I'm not seeing any leaks, so I'm about to go take it for a test drive, and hopefully everything's good and we're good to go. Okay, so far everything's going smooth. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Oh, that was kind of bad. My baby looks a little ratchet right now, but at least we don't have no leaks. I ran it for 20 minutes. It's not overheating, that's good. And the biggest problem was this bumper, which actually don't look that bad when you have it on. Thomas is rocking it now because I got a new bumper coming. A lot of y'all guys gonna like this bumper, so stay tuned. Also, check out the link down below in the description. That's where I get all my BMW parts. They cheap. A lot of y'all guys wanted to know, so go check it down below. I don't think I'm forgetting nothing else. So yeah guys, let me know if you enjoyed the vlog. Let me know if you're ready to see the new bumper for the E46. But yeah guys, subscribe if you're new, and as always, it's been Saranta's Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.
My money I ain't sending you, you can't get a penny. You wanna see me fail because I'm ballin'. You a fake and we ain't got nothing in common. You didn't pick up when you saw me calling, so you wouldn't catch me if you saw me falling. Be careful who you shit on, they might make you never know.
For the real subscribers, here's a little sneak peek.